Hello everyone, today I will talk about my presentation. My name is ZimeiPang and this article first introduced the current forming recycling methods: mechanical method, pyrolysis method, chemical method, and the supercritical fluid bed method. Then discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Afterwards, its research process a new comprehensive carbon fiber recycling methods like chemical swirling and electrolytic recycling. The background: as a major component of carbon fiber composites, carbon fiber was widely applied in the aerospace field in the 1980s. Carbon fiber composite material consists of two parts: a matrix and carbon fiber. First is mechanical recycling. The mechanical recovery method is accomplished by wear compression, shear, and impact mechanism. The procedure mainly includes two steps, which are crushing and shredding, followed by grinding and milling. Finally, the carbon fiber and the matrix will become 10 to 15 particles, which can be used as filler or reinforcement in new products. And that is process recycling. The third is supercritical fluid bed thermolysis recycling, and the family is chemical recycling. In the process of recovering CFRP using pure mechanical methods, is articles or specific solvents are commonly used substance. And summary: the correct mainstream methods of carbon fiber recycling have been credited in the literature review above. However, each method has its own disadvantages in terms of recovery, efficiency, economy, and the mechanical properties of products. And that is future research and strategies. Future research is expected to avoid the shortcomings of these recycling methods mentioned above. Experimental equipment should be as few as possible. The experimental conditions and the environment should be as simple as possible, and the method that can be carried out under major temperature and pressure is preferred. Throughout the recycling process, toxic substances and gas are avoided to major environmental sustainability. And the significance and innovation significance, since existing recycling methods have various advantages. Some of them have not been used in a large scale, and some are still in the experimental stage. Therefore, it is of technical significance to find a kind of economic recovery method which can be recycled in large quantities. And innovation, the method of combining chemical swirling and electrolysis introduced in this paper is an innovation. Finally, is a proposal. The purpose of the experiment is to determine the experimental environment and experimental solute determine the recovery method, and finally study the factors affecting the results. The plan is to accomplish the project within 20 months, and the author of this plan is electronic experimental environmental design, recovery procedure, analysis of outcomes, estimation of economical benefits, papers writing, presentation. CFRP specimens and the steel specimens are placed in a anode and cathode, respectively, by electrochemical method. By observing the reaction in the solution, the experimental environment is optimized and the mechanical properties test, turn row strength test, and interfacial shear strength of recycled CFRC are carried out. Finally, the results are obtained and analyzed. The advantage is that the treatment result of CFRP can be obtained to judge the state of resin and whether the CFRP surface is damaged. Finally, the experimental conclusion and the experimental proof are obtained. In conclusion, in this paper, a method of carbon fiber recovery at room temperature and pressure is proposed by combining chemical method and electrolysis method. After studying the existing methods, this approach is expected to yield recycled carbon fiber with no significant deterioration in properties due to the low requirements of equipment, easy access of experimental material, and low cost. It can be applied to large-scale recovery of carbon fiber composites, and a major breakthrough in tackling resource waste, which is more widely used nationally and internationally. Thank you.